In the heart of South America lies a hidden marvel, the world's largest tropical wetland. Here, where water sculpts the land, every ripple, every drop matters. A land defined by extremes, scorched dry plains, then sudden deluges that transform everything. From the leaves to the lagoon, life pulses with urgency, predator and prey bound in a timeless dance. Bird colonies rise by the thousands, their wings painting the sky. The flood brings abundance and revelation. Yet within this grandeur lies hidden intimacy. The tiniest creature carries the weight of this thriving tapestry. Join us as we journey through the Pantanal, a landscape shaped by water, defined by life. As the sun climbs higher and the rains retreat, the Pantanal begins to shrink. Water that once ruled this land vanishes into memory. The land bakes beneath a relentless sun. Pools evaporate into nothing. The lush green turns to shades of dust and ochre. Around the shrinking waterholes, life gathers and tensions rise. Capybaras huddle near the last muddy pools. Caimans lie still in the drying riverbeds, conserving energy. Each day is a test of endurance. The strong compete for water, the weak fall behind. Predators sharpen their senses. Jaguars move silently through the grass, eyes fixed on exhausted prey. An egret snatches a fish from a puddle, its survival measured in inches. Even the skies seem emptier. Flocks break apart, searching for water, for shade, for hope. In these trying weeks, every movement matters. An armadillo digs for moisture deep in the cracked soil. An anteater roams farther each day in search of food. But in the midst of struggle, life adapts. Evolution has crafted survivors here, creatures born from hardship. And then, on the far horizon, a sign. Clouds gather. A breeze carries a different scent. The Pantanal holds its breath. The first raindrop hits the earth, and the dry season's grip begins to loosen. Torrents awaken sleeping rivers, old paths refill, life stirs beneath the surface. What was once brown breathes green again. In the Pantanal, water is not just life, it is resurrection. With the rains, a symphony begins anew. In the heart of South America, the Pantanal rises, reborn. As the floodwaters return to the Pantanal, the land awakens from its long slumber. A transformation begins, sudden and spectacular. What was parched and cracked just weeks before is now submerged beneath life-giving water. Across the flooded plains, life stirs in every direction. Above the shimmering waters, vast colonies of birds descend, ibis, storks, and herons, thousands strong, transforming trees into living clouds of feathers and calls. These wetlands are now a sanctuary and a nursery. Hyacinth macaws, the largest parrots in the world, glide across the treetops in vibrant blue flashes. Their powerful beaks crack nuts and seeds with ease, echoing through the branches. In the dense canopy, toucans flash their rainbow-colored beaks, calling out to one another. On the ground below, the majestic jabiru stork wades through the waters, hunting with slow, deliberate steps. With the water comes abundance, and with abundance, reproduction. Amphibians emerge from hiding, their chorus rising as night falls. Frogs sing to attract mates, while fish begin their elaborate spawning dances in the currents below. For many, this is a race against time, a short window to reproduce before the waters recede again. Elsewhere, caimans guard their flooded nests, watching silently as tiny hatchlings break free from their eggs. Life continues its endless cycle. Capybara pups splash beside their mothers in the shallow pools. Curious and playful, they explore this new world with wonder. On drier patches, deer give birth to fawns hidden in tall grasses, while armadillos dig for insects in the soft, wet soil. With abundance comes opportunity and hunger. The forest's predators emerge to feast, thriving on the overflow. Even the jaguar, master of the Pantanal, emerges to hunt in this season of plenty. The flood has reshaped its territory, but the prey is bountiful, and so the predator thrives. From the skies to the depths, the Pantanal is reborn. Every drop of water carries life, and in the stillness of the flooded world, nature celebrates abundance with a breathtaking symphony of color, sound, and motion. But this season is fleeting. The clock is already ticking toward the next change. For now, the Pantanal breathes deeply in its brief moment of paradise. In the shadows of the flooded forest, power stirs. The Pantanal is not only a haven for life, it's a hunting ground where survival depends on silence, strategy, and strength. The jaguar, solitary, silent, supreme. With jaws strong enough to pierce a caiman's skull, it is the Pantanal's undisputed apex predator. It hunts not out of rage, but with patience, precision, and perfection. But dominance is not reserved for land alone. The caiman, a relic of the dinosaur age, rules the waterways. Patient and cold-blooded, until it strikes with lightning speed. Above, the skies are no refuge. Hawks, eagles, and caracaras survey the wetlands with unblinking eyes. For the vulnerable below, danger reigns from above. Even the mightiest predator cannot hunt unchecked. In this ever-shifting ecosystem, every move is measured. Every life entwined in a delicate, brutal balance. Here, beauty and brutality walk hand in hand. In the Pantanal, predators do not destroy life, they shape it. As the weeks pass, the floodwaters slip away, drawn back into the veins of distant rivers. The Pantanal begins to exhale, but the cost is growing. What once teemed with life now lies exposed and dry. What remains becomes fiercely contested. Pools shrink to puddles. Predators no longer stalk, they wait. The season of abundance fades, and survival once again becomes a daily negotiation. As prey grows weaker, predators grow bolder. Final feasts play out before the land falls silent. The wetlands, once a paradise, now whisper of endings. And then comes fire. Some set by man, some sparked by lightning. The fires clear, but also claim. The Pantanal, forever caught between growth and destruction. Yet even now, hope stirs in the soil. The rains will return, as they always do. And the Pantanal will breathe once more.